welcome to this episode of Mommy SeaStar. Today we're going to do the scientific method. I'm going to go through each step, and scientific method is a way of learning things. Okay, first we got to observe. In nature we observe that things of different properties will respond to gravity differently. And our question is, what will happen if we... what are you doing? What will happen if we pour oil and water together? Pay attention. What do you want?
No, this.
Oh, okay. We'll ask Daddy for your dish. Say, Daddy, dish, please.
Daddy, dish.
Very nice. Okay. So our question is, which one will come out on top? The oil or the water? Or will it mix together?
No, a few.
We did some research ahead of time. Now we're going to do some experimenting. Okay. You ready? Set.
Does she want some?
Daddy.
This is the oil.
Okay.
This is just olive oil. And now we're going to pour in the water. Our question is, will they mix together or will one come out on top? And which one? Notice that the oil is kind of a yellowish color and the water is clear. Are they mixing together? I don't think so. Look it. What happens is the water and the oil separate. And the oil comes up to the top. That means, I guess it means it's less dense than the water. Look at that. Anyway, the oil comes on top and the water comes to the bottom. What happens if we shake it? That's our other question. What if we shake it up? What happens? It separates again. This experiment can be repeated. So it's a good experiment because you can repeat it and repeat it. It's not just a one-time thing. And every time you shake it, the oil separates and goes to the top. Look at that. You could do it over and over again and the same thing happens. So our experiment is telling us something about nature. It's telling us that oil and water do not mix together. They separate. And the oil goes to the top. That's what this experiment tells us. So our conclusions are that oil and water don't mix if you just put them together, just oil and water like that, and the oil goes to the top. And so now we'll report because we're going to put this on Mommy SeaStar, and that's our report. And that's the scientific method.
Yay!
Yay! Did you learn something?